The Indian Navy provides opportunities for unmarried male and female candidates from the science stream to join through the +2 cadet entry scheme. Candidates selected through this process undergo a 4-year B.Tech course at the Indian Naval Academy. After completing the 4-year training, each candidate is awarded a permanent commission in the executive and technical branches of the Indian Navy, with the rank of sub-lieutenant. For entry, applicants must have birth dates falling between January 2, 2005 and July 1, 2007, during the course's commencement. They should have completed their 12th grade studies in physics, chemistry and mathematics with a minimum of 70% marks, and in English, a minimum of 50% marks. To apply, please visit joinindiannavy.gov.in. And the deadline for submitting applications is January 20th.